Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to revise English grammar chapter from your applied English book, Email Writing. I have already taught you this chapter, but today again with the help of video I am going to explain this chapter once again, email writing. Just like notice and message, email is also written in a box. But first you should write the email and after that put the email in a box. First of all we from. From is writer's name, who writes. I am writer Amrendra at gmail.com. Second line date. The date 1st July 2020. Third line 2 means receiver. My friend is receiver Raju at yahoo.com. Subject means what's the topic. Subject you have to write. After that, dear friend. My friend name is Raju. Dear friend. And then detailed information just we write and add in your name. In the PDF format, I have written the answers. Today, again, I am going to explain. Open page number 76. 76 page, first email, I am going to explain. Send an email to your bank manager reminding him of supplying you the latest bank report of your account. This is the email to your bank manager and this is reminding him. Remind him that you have not got the latest bank report. So remind him to provide you this latest bank report. So what will be right? At the place of from. In from I will write your name. What is your name? My name is Amrendra, so I have written Amrendra. First, here write your name from your name at gmail.com. Date 1st July 2022. Receiver is the bank manager. So write down here bank manager. Or you can also write his name, Suresh SBI. Any of you can write bank manager at yahoo.com or Suresh SBI means State Bank of India. Suresh SBI at yahoo.com and you can write subject. Subject, latest bank report. In subject will be latest bank report. Then you will write dear sir, dear sir, dear sir. After that, you will write I am a resident of Dinkar Colony. Any place name you can write. I am resident of Dinkar Colony. I have a saving account. I have a saving account in your SBI branch. It is my humble request to you to provide me the latest bank report of my account. I had already requested about 1 week ago, but I have not got any response. So kindly provide me the latest 1 month bank report as soon as possible because I have some urgent work. Thanking you and at last your name Here I will write Amren, your name right here. Your name. Finish. Second email we are discussing. Second email, your landlord asks you to undertake some repair work in the house where you live in. Send an email to him about the expenditure made on various items. Oh. You are a renter and your owner, landlord means building owner. The owner is not here. He has informed you to do some repair work in the house. So you do the repair work, get the repair work done and inform him. What you will write? First of all, from. In from, write your name at gmail.com. Date, 1st July 2022. Name, owner's name. Room owner's, building owner's name at yahoo.com. Subject. What will be subject? Subject will be expenditure. Expenditure on various items. Expenditure on various items will be subject. Dear sir. Now detail you will write. I am writing this email to inform you about the expenditure on repair work in the building. The plumber has fitted the kitchen tap properly and he took rupees 500 for this work. The kitchen ceiling which leaked during rainy season has been repaired for rupees 2000. The walls on the outer side have also been repaired. So you should come and see the repair work. At last, write your name here. What is your name? Any name? Your name right here. And email number 3. Email number 3 is the captain of your team has sent you the message to be present at the school playground for net practice during your vacation. Send him her an email confirming your joining the net practice. The captain of the team has sent email you to be present during the vacation. Any vacation, during the vacation, you have to practice in the school playground. It is very matter of very great joy. So you write to him email that you will surely join. You will surely come to the ground during vacation. What you will write? And from also write your name at gmail.com. Date 1st July 2022. Any name you can write. Name of your team captain at yahoo.com. Subject. Subject confirmation. Confirmation to join the net practice. In subject you will write confirmation to join the net practice. Dear sir. In detail now you will write that I am happy to read your message that we can practice in the school playground during our vacation. It will keep us in touch with the game. it is because of your efforts that we are allowed to practice in the playground during the vacation. Paragraph change. Surely I will be present for the net practice. At the last you will write thanking you, and your name here write down at the end. Now last email is, you ordered some important books to a publisher but you have not received the ordered books even after a month. Send email as reminder to the publisher. To a publisher you have ordered for some important books, but even after a month you have not got the books, so remind him to send you the books. First you will write same way, from your name at gmail.com dash 2022 to, you can write name, any name of, or direct publisher name you can write bhartiphone at yahoo.com, or the manager's name RK Joshi at yahoo.com. Subject, in subject you will write reminder for ordered books, subject, and then you write dear sir, and after that I want to remind you that I had ordered for some important books. The order number is 1564. 1 month has passed, but the books have not been delivered. Paragraph change. So please deliver my order within 5 days or cancel the order. Paragraph change. It is my humble request, please look into the matter urgently. At last you will write thanking you, and then write your name. End. So students, I hope you have understood the email writing well. Write all the emails properly in your book. Thank you.